Hello. Today we will show you how to add API keys to the TradeLink Marketplace. Creating an API key for use on the TradeLink Marketplace is simple and takes less than 10 minutes. All you need is a Binance account and an email. Before you start creating an API key, be sure to enable two-factor authentication to enhance the security of your account. Go to the Account tab in the Account drop-down menu. Then, go to the Security tab and enable one of the two-factor authentication options provided. Your API key will be considered invalid if there is no activity in the futures account history. Before adding your API key to the TradeLink Marketplace, you need to perform at least one action on your Binance futures account. This action can be a deposit, a trade, or a withdrawal. Additionally, you will need to deposit at least $1 into your Binance futures wallet before you can create an API key. After logging into your Binance account, click the Account tab in the drop-down menu. Then, click the API Management tab in the page's left menu. Before we move on, let's discuss an important issue affecting your API key's stability. To the left of the description, by default, there is a checkbox that allows Binance to restrict your API keys at any time without notice. We have had several cases where Binance removed the trading permission for an API key, only to realize later that the user had not unchecked this box, allowing Binance to perform actions that the user did not request. That being said, the TradeLink platform supports all types of Binance API key settings and will function normally in case of any unexpected restrictions from Binance. We prefer that users uncheck this box to increase the stability of their API keys. Click the Create API button on the API Management page. A window will appear, asking you to select the type of key generated. Please select System Generated. Give your API key a name. We recommend naming your keys so that it is easy to understand what permissions you have granted to this key in the future. Confirm the key creation by entering the two-factor authentication code. It is important to note that all keys are created as read only by default with no IP restrictions. This is exactly what we need for the TradeLink Marketplace. An API key with read-only permissions without any other permissions or IP restrictions. Once the API is created, do not close the page until you add the key to TradeLink because it will not be shown for a second time. Please remember that the key should not be shared with anyone for security purposes. If you ever forget the secret key, we cannot recover it. The only solution is to delete the API key and create a new one. The rest is easy. Go to your Marketplace account, click Add Key, and enter your read-only API key in the required field. Your API key consists of two separate values, a public key and a secret key. Both must be inserted in the required fields. Creating a trading API key is similar to creating a key with read-only permissions, but there are some small differences at the end. On the API Management page, click the Create API button. Next, we repeat the same process when creating a read-only API key. Select the system-generated key type and give it a name for convenience. Confirm the creation of the key by entering the two-factor authentication code. So, you have created an API key. We must enable the only permission enable futures for the trading key. To do this, we need to click the Edit Restrictions button and check the box next to the Enable Futures field. We highly recommend enabling IP access restrictions for your trading API key. The Marketplace fully supports this feature, which can greatly enhance the security of your account. You can get the current IP addresses to whitelist in the form for adding an API key on the Marketplace. Make sure that only Allow Reading and Enable Futures are checked on your API key, and click the Save button. Now, your trading key is entirely ready to use. Let's add your API Exchange account to the TradeLink Marketplace by simply copying and pasting your public and private keys into the TradeLink form. Thanks for watching our video. Follow the link in the description and register on TradeLink. That's all from us. Goodbye.